I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to set up your Pro Trailer Backup Assist on your brand new F-150.
Okay, now, from the beginning.
Hit it, boys.
Now, when you purchase the vehicle, you should have received several stickers that look just like this. And we're going to replace them between 7 and 22 inches on the neck of your trailer. Step 2 is to measure from the license plate to the center of the ball of your hitch. Step 4, you're going to measure from your camera to the sticker you placed on your trailer. First thing we're going to want to do is head down to towing, trailer options. We're going to add a trailer. Let's go ahead and give it a cool name, cool boat. And then it's a conventional trailer, so we'll hit OK. Do we want to set up the blind spot? Sure. And then you enter the length of your trailer. This one's about 24 feet. Then it's asked if you want to set up your Pro Trailer Backup Assist, and we'll go ahead and say yes because we already got our measurements. The first step will be entering the measurement from their license plate to the ball of your trailer, which in our case is about 9 inches. Then your second measurement is going to be from the ball to the sticker you placed on your trailer. So we're going to say it's 17 inches. Then that third measurement, which is from the camera to the sticker you placed on the trailer, which for us is 38 inches. Then your last measurement, which is the length of your trailer from the bumper to your axle, which in our case is 117 inches. And confirm to make sure all your measurements are correct, which they are. Now it's going to locate the sticker for us. Then it asks to make sure that the sticker is circled on the screen, which yes it is. So now it'll have us calibrate the system. So you got to drive straight in a straight line. So you'll want a wide open space to be able to drive in a straight line for a while. Calibration complete. All you do is you go to your knob, and when you turn it to the side, it'll automatically start turning the wheel to turn the trailer for you. So that's how you set up your Pro Trailer Backup Assist if you have an F-150, a Super Duty, or an Expedition
Okay, now,
with this feature.
from the beginning.
Hit it, boys.